have $1 million idea for a t-shirt? What if you could turn your creativity into a thriving business from your own home? You see cool designs everywhere and think, I could do that, but where do you start? A traditional design degree is expensive and time-consuming. You need a faster, more affordable path to bring your ideas to life. For just $69, the ultimate guide to DTF printing from Make It Take It is your launch pad. You'll master direct-to-film printing, from creating stunning designs to producing professional quality apparel. We'll teach you the tools of the trade and guide you in building your own custom apparel and merchandise business. This isn't just a course, it's a business in a box. Why pay a fortune for a college degree when you can build your own brand for less than the cost of a night out? Add an industry-recognized certificate for just $29 and show the world you're a pro. Stop dreaming and start creating. Make it, take it, and wear your success.